Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a beautiful snowflake, and I'm using regular cotton yarn and some sequin yarn, if you can see that. And we're going to start with a magic circle. We go under here, pull up the loop, close it a little bit, and we're going to do 12 single crochets. And we do a slip stitch at the top of the first single crochet. Now we're going to do treble crochet. So we're going to go in the same place, and we're going to do a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Treble crochet on the next one. And we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to chain 2 more to do a picot on the top of the third one. Pull it through, and that's 1, and then we're gonna do again 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do another treble. 1 and 2. So this is how it looks. We're gonna chain 3, 2 more chains to do a picot right here on the third one, and we're gonna slip stitch, chain 3 again so we can come back down. 1, 2, and 3, and we do another treble on the next one right here. We do a treble crochet, another treble on the next one, and here it is. We chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. We chain 2 more to do a picot. We close the picot here on the third chain. We come back down with 3 again, 1, 2, and 3. We do another treble on the next one, and this is what we're going to do all the way around. So this is how it's going to look all the way around. And we slip stitch at the top of the first one right here. And this is how it looks so far. And now we're going to start with the row 2. In row 2, we're going to do a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a picot again. So we do 1, 2, 3, a picot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do another picot here. We do again 3, 1, 2, and 3. And we do a picot one more time. This is going to be the top, and we're going to start coming back down. We're going to do the same as the other side. 1, 2, and 3. We're doing this part right here. Then we're going to do another picot right there. And now we're going to go back with the 4, but we're going to do a double crochet. So we're going to do 2 chains, a double crochet here. So let me show you. 1, 2 chains, a double crochet right here in on the second one. The one where we did 4, like this. So we're going back, coming back. So 3 picot, 4 picot, 3 picot, 3 picot, 2 double crochet. We're gonna do 1 more in a picot. And then we're going to do 3, and we're going to close it right here with a slip stitch. So let's do, we just finished the double crochet across, and then we're going to do 1, and we're going to do a picot. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to slip stitch right here in the middle of the next one where the 2 treble crochets are. We're going to slip stitch there, and we're going to do the same thing we did here.